In late 2018, near Milford, Texas, a company called Visive Technologies completed an innovative tower resembling Nikola Tesla's famous design. With its grid-like supports and hemispherical top, this tower wasn't just aesthetically similar to Tesla's, it shared a visionary purpose. In collaboration with Baylor University, Visive aimed to revolutionize electricity distribution by creating a wireless grid free of poles, wires, or substations. This breakthrough technology could provide power to nearly 1.5 billion people lacking infrastructure, utilizing zenith waves that are 3 times faster than Bluetooth. Unlike traditional energy transmission, this system is immune to solar bursts, lightning, and electromagnetic pulses. Interestingly, Nikola Tesla conceptualized a wireless electrical grid over 120 years ago. Known for his pioneering vision, Tesla patented over 300 inventions across 26 countries and left behind an estimated 1,000 unpatented ideas. Many of these concepts were so advanced they seemed like science fiction. In a 1926 Collier's magazine interview, Tesla predicted a future where people could communicate instantly across vast distances using pocket-sized devices, a stunning foresight of the internet, mobile phones, and Wi-Fi. He also envisioned electrified railways, automated homes, flying cars, and vertical parking towers, ideas humanity began realizing nearly a century later. Tesla's imagination extended beyond the plausible to the extraordinary. In the 1930s, he speculated about photographing thoughts. His research suggested mental images produced reflections on the retina, which could be captured using an artificial retina. While this idea seemed fantastical then, recent developments in artificial intelligence and brain scanning suggest it may not be entirely out of reach. In 2023, a global team of neurobiologists taught AI to decode brain activity, generating images that matched photographs seen by test subjects with 84% accuracy. However, not all of Tesla's ideas were benign. Some bordered on dangerous. In 1893, he patented an electromechanical oscillator capable of causing destructive vibrations. Dubbed the earthquake machine, Tesla demonstrated its potential when an experiment caused tremors that shattered windows and alarmed New York residents. Realizing the danger, Tesla destroyed the device. Tesla also explored wireless electricity transmission with his Wardenclyffe Tower. Though the tower was never fully operational due to funding issues, some speculate it played a role in the mysterious Tunguska event of 1908, where a massive explosion flattened 2,000 square kilometers of Siberian forest. While there's no evidence linking Tesla to the disaster, his work on high-voltage transmissions fueled such rumors. His military-focused inventions were equally groundbreaking. In 1898, Tesla demonstrated a remote-controlled submarine at Madison Square Garden, introducing the concept of teleautomatics. Decades later, modern drones and AI-driven underwater robots, like the Nauticus Robotics Defender, built on this foundation. Tesla also envisioned electric airships powered by atmospheric energy, capable of crossing oceans at incredible speeds. Though unrealized in his time, today's aviation advancements echo his concepts. Tesla's most controversial project was the Death Ray, or Teleforce, a particle beam weapon capable of destroying aircraft from 300 kilometers away. Though Tesla claimed to have built and tested a prototype, it was never funded or deployed. Other military applications of his work included early radar concepts, weather manipulation, and even theoretical portals to other dimensions, suggesting Tesla's ideas were centuries ahead of his era. Despite his many achievements, most of Tesla's inventions were never fully realized during his lifetime. Whether due to lack of funding, public skepticism, or their sheer danger, his creations remain a mixture of wonder and caution. Tesla's unparalleled foresight raises an intriguing question. How did one man envision a future so far beyond his time? Perhaps the world simply wasn't ready for Nikola Tesla. What do you think?